Hello and welcome to Herman's RV Holidays. It is Christmas Eve and we are going to be spending the night in the campsite in Herman. As you can see, we've got the decos up outside, but let's take a look inside, shall we?
Hello.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Catch they napping.
Let's switch that off. Oh, let's switch that off. So, where are we? Yes, where are we?
We are at Tudor Caravan Park,
right
near Slimbridge. Just in case I didn't know.
Well, I drove here,
yes,
so I should know.
That's right. And we're in pitch number 2.
I don't think they need coordinates. No. But it's right. Did you say Slimbridge?
I did say Slimbridge.
I did say Slimbridge. Unfortunately, we can't go and see can't go to Slimbridge tomorrow because it's shut, being Christmas Day.
Oh, is it? I was wondering that.
Yeah, I think we've got to wait until Boxing Day before we can actually go and visit.
Okay.
But
we'll do our
just
Christmas
take
meal.
a look at our decos. Isn't that wonderful?
Well, you would say that, wouldn't you?
And then we have our tree here.
Yeah.
This is a very old
bit
tree.
overladen, isn't it? Really?
Yeah, it's one little knock and it will
Yeah.
go. Do you want to show them the special one there? Look at that.
Yeah, it's from
You got that from somebody at work.
Stevie D.
Little Christmas present. Really nice.
Yes, and normally
It's
when
a
we
bit
get
dusty.
when we get little extras, we kind of put them on, but some of them are a bit heavy, aren't they?
Yeah, I think we need to kind of put some more weight in the base so it doesn't topple
Yes.
over.
But yes, this is our tree. It takes us ages to decorate.
All we do is put it away and that's it.
Yes. It's unlucky, isn't it? To keep
Well,
it
I
on?
don't know.
No.
It's got two types of lights. These little brick ones here and these ones here.
But it goes well with the decorations, doesn't it?
But,
Fits in well.
It's quite cosy in here.
Very cosy.
Yeah, we've got ourselves a new heater, a new
Yes.
electric heater, so we're not using up our gas.
Double duvet.
Nice thick duvet there, and in a few hours' time we're going to the Tudor Arms
Yes, I'm getting hungry.
for a meal. What do you fancy? I fancy like a short crust pie
I'm
or
not
something.
choosing just yet, my love.
Maybe some mashed potato and lashings of gravy.
You could have your Christmas dinner. Oh no, we can't. 'Cause
No,
they've stopped the
we're having
Christmas
Christmas
menu.
dinner in Herman,
Yes.
and I'll show you later on what we got. But
You'll probably be doing a video on it, my love.
probably, but throw me off now.
Oh, sorry.
But we're having goose breast. At the moment, they are frozen and they're defrosting.
They're quite big, aren't they? So we don't
They're
know whether
quite
to
large.
cut it in half.
Yes, it's a nice bosomed goose. It was.
You silliness.
I think we're drinking, yeah. Right, so we'll see you later. Well, good morning, everybody. It is Christmas morning. It's Christmas Day. And we've had our showers and our breakfast. And now we're just going to open our presents now, won't we?
It's taken us till 11 o'clock to
Is that really what the time is?
Exactly 11 o'clock. Now, who's that for? Merry Christmas, my
Merry
love.
Christmas.
Oh dear. Right.
Her and her new hat.
Oh yes, I haven't looked at me in my new hat. It's lovely and warm. Do I look silly though? Oh goodness!
And you got bits of hair.
Yes,
that.
Yeah. Can't hide that.
Ooh, Betty.
So I think she's done quite well.
Well, that's our Christmas. Christmas is over. No, we've got the dinner in. Yeah, right.
Oh yes.
Our goose.
Yes.
And what we're going to do now? We're going to go for a little walk,
Yes,
aren't we?
we're going to go
Along the canal, probably, or
canal.
something.
Yeah.
Yes. Should be very nice. that's our roast potatoes in there, cooking along in our halogen oven. Now there's not a lot of space in here, so we're having to improvise. This is what we're trying to cook. That's roast potatoes in goose fat. We have British parsnips with honey and mustard glaze. They're going in. Truffled cauliflower cheese. Red cabbage. And the red cabbage and the cauliflower cheese, we're going to be cooking like this. Obviously avoiding all the instructions. And then finally we're going to be pan frying our goose breast. Lovely.
Did we decide on one or two? It's
I
quite
think we're
big,
going to have one.
One.
We're going to share one and then have the other one tomorrow, right?
Yes.
Boxing Day. So that's what we're doing. Christmas dinner in Herman. Without a big proper oven. Although the halogen oven has been really good,
Yes,
isn't it?
yes.
It's been last Christmas we cooked a guinea fowl, and we've had pies and stuff in there, so it's pretty good. Not a lot of space though. That's the only thing. Well, I think this has been quite successful. Well, the only thing we've forgotten is the gravy. So it's looking slightly dry, but that is our Christmas dinner. And Zoe has been tucking in already while I've been opening the champagne.
Nice potatoes.
Good potatoes. You've just been going and haven't you?
Well, the duck is very nice because it's
goose.
Oh, I keep calling it duck, don't I?
Yeah.
It's nice and
moist.
moist in the middle.
Brilliant stuff. So we're going to tuck in, and Merry Christmas, everybody. See you later. So the next course is creme brulee and mince pies. We're making creme brulee in Herman.
Eat your heart out, Jamie Oliver.
Well, good morning, everybody. It is St. Stephen's Day, the day after Christmas Day, or what everybody else calls Boxing Day. I think we only call it Boxing Day in Britain.
Do we?
Yeah, I don't think anybody else celebrates the 26th of December.
Excuse, isn't it, really?
So anyway, we are heading to the WWT in Slimbridge, and we're hoping to see some birds and stuff. Some birds, migrant birds, and maybe some hawks and other birds that catch other birds. Spending Boxing Day sitting in a hide,
Yes.
looking out for birds and
It's
stuff.
not everybody's cup of tea, is it? But
Must be better though. Must be better than
Yes,
sitting at
fresh
home
air.
eating cold turkey.
Ooh.
Watching another
Gets us
Bond
out,
film
doesn't
or Die Hard.
we
over
did watch 4 hours of 24 yesterday, though, didn't
That's
we?
yeah, we did. Yeah.
Goodness.
Morning everybody, it is Friday the 28th of December and the last couple of days we've just spent in Slimbridge, haven't we?
You've forgotten where we were.
Sitting in
Slimbridge, yes.
in the hides and
Yes.
watching all the birds. Can you remember what we saw though?
Yeah, not as much as last year, was there? But it was the regulars. The tufted ducks and the pintails and the shell duck and the widgeon and all that. And then we saw the peregrine, a couple of peregrines.
Some good shots of the peregrine.
Yes.
Some good...
and then 12 cranes.
Yep, cranes.
One day, and then we only saw...
What, 5 or 6?
Yeah,
6 cranes?
Not so many.
We got some close-ups of the cranes, didn't we?
Yes.
They kind of landed in the...
main area.
In the main area. And that peregrine, though... Oh, we saw the cranes flying.
Yes.
You ever seen that? That's amazing. And then, the peregrine, though, watching it just doing a bit of hunting.
Yes, because he actually caught a golden plover.
Never seen that before. That was amazing.
But just very cold, isn't it?
Yeah, it did get very cold.
And they reckon we're going to get snow and next week, in the new year. Get chilly.
Great. So that's going to be that's basically Christmas in Herman this year. We're putting the decorations. Started putting decorations down. The tree is not on anymore. That's been turned off, and
Christmas is over.
We're going to be heading home. So what I thought I might do is you've just seen the whole load of birds and stuff. What I thought I might do is show you the extended parts of all that in case you're interested. If you're not, you can turn off now. It's only going to be for a few minutes, but this is the extended parts of the peregrine and the cranes. Until next time, goodbye. Oh, and thank you for 2,000 subscribers. Bye-bye now. Happy New Year.
Shoulder.
Wouldn't it be amazing if you saw like 12 of them all going along the coast? You've got 4 clones. They're so agile, aren't they, in the air? Going back again. Oh, there he is.
Just coming up above the sea wall.
Oh yeah.
Did you see that, though? There you go, just going to the rock now. It's got something. You get it on the scope, have you? Wow. Always having a good peck of that, isn't it?
What is it, a mackerel?
What was it eating?
Yeah.
Doesn't narrow it down very well.
I don't know. It was, whatever it was.
It's quite big. I would imagine it's true.
He's chucking all the feathers off.
Where is it? Oh, see, I can't take a photograph anymore. Camera. I need to put that on the thing. See if I can catch a photograph of this. Oh, he's gone.
He's gone. Has he taken it?
Yes, he has. He's going off to the right now.
Did like all those Canada geese watching it. What do you think?
It seems to have white underneath it, doesn't it? That's the best I can do.
Thanks for watching our video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed or leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more video updates or maybe even watch one of our previous videos. Bye bye now.